Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Solent University's Gateway account. Let's get started. To log into your Solent University's Gateway account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Solent University Gateway Login. So after searching for that, you will come up to this page, and from here, to log into your Solent University's Gateway account, you can tap on this first option which says login to the applicant gateway. So after tapping on that option, now what you can do is just accept this cookies, and after accepting that cookies, just scroll down and then tap on this option which says applicant gateway. After tapping on applicant gateway, just scroll down, and after scrolling down here you can find these two options where you have to enter your username and password. So just simply enter your account's username. After entering your account's username, you can enter your account's password. After entering your account's password, just tap on login. After tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just tap on forgot your password, and after tapping on forgot your password, you can create a new password for your account. So after creating a new password, just come back to this login page and then enter the new password that you have created. Tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Solent University's Gateway account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.